Okay, so good morning, everybody. Well, today I have started some capsule lectures for the subjects that I have been teaching for some time. To start with the subject, today I've taken fundamentals of marketing management. The capsule lectures will help those students who have missed the long 2 hour lecture, and it revises and it presents a snapshot of the topic discussed in the class. It will help them track the progress of the syllabus in the class, and it will certainly help the students also to revise their topics in the subject. So, to start with, the importance of marketing, well, the first decade of the 21st century has challenged the firms to think in a different manner, especially at the time of competition with the different changing variables which are affecting the environment all the time. So, marketing plays a key role in addressing these challenges. Marketing is nothing but a process which will help us in identifying and meeting human and social needs. And one of the shortest good definition of marketing is meeting needs profitably. So, if as a company we can develop a product that can satisfy individual needs, that will reflect the definition of marketing. What we can market products, services, events, and organization and events. And I think that anything that we can think of, maybe a book, maybe a product, maybe people, maybe events, we can market everything. I think it starts with the basic demand, and there are 8 types of demand. Demand is nothing but the quantity of a good that consumers are willing and able to purchase at a various prices during a given period of time. We have different types of demands. We have negative demand, full demand, declining demand, irregular demand, overall demand, unwholesome demand, and so on. So, negative demand is nothing but where consumers will dislike the product and they may even pay to avoid it. Non-existent demand is a demand where consumers may be unaware of or uninterested in the product. Latent demand, another kind of a demand, is a demand where consumers may share a strong need that cannot be satisfied by an existing product. That means there will be a need for another manufacturer or another product in the same line to satisfy the need of consumer. Declining demands are those where consumers begin to buy the product less frequently and not at all, and there could be reasons for that. For example, they have new needs now, and maybe the existing products are not able to satisfy the need of the consumer. Irregular demands are those where consumers tend to purchase depending on season, weekly, daily basis. Full demand is something where consumers are adequately buying all the products to put into the marketplace. Overfull demand is a demand where consumers would like to buy the product, then can be satisfied. The last is the unwholesome demand, where consumers may be attracted to a product that has undesirable social consequences, and there could be many examples and reasons why government or companies would like to come with those products. Then, after demand, we discussed about the different examples of the products that we have in India. We have Anchor toothpaste, we have Ajanta, we have Vico Vajadanti, Dant Khanti, and so on. So, market is basically a place where we buy and sell products. It is basically a physical place where people can buy things and they can sell things. Well, these days, it is no longer just a physical place, it is also becoming an online place where through electronic medium, people are buying and selling things. So there are certain core concepts that we have to study in marketing, and they are need, want, and demand. Well, needs are the basic human requirements such as air, food, water, and human also have strong need for recreation, education, and entertainment. Well, these needs become want when they are directed to a specific objects that might satisfy the need. And demand is something that certainly depends on the paying capacity of an individual person, and to what extent individuals can meet those price tags of the products. Further, in the class, we also discussed about the demands which are wants for a specific product. They are backed by the ability of individuals to pay. Now, different people will have different paying capacity. Now, they may want water. Now, in water, they may want to have the branded water, or they may be satisfied with the unbranded water also. Then there are the other concepts that we must study in marketing. The first is the production concept, which says that it is one of the oldest concepts in business, and it holds that consumers prefer products that are widely available and inexpensive. Well, it's a basic fact globally. People would like to buy something that is easily available and that is inexpensive. Product concept, that is the second concept, states that consumers favor products offering the most quality, performance, and innovative features. Well, as a consumer, we always want to pay for something that is giving us a better value. And maybe it is innovative or it is performing in a better sense. Selling concept, on the other hand, it says that consumers and business, if left alone, will not buy enough of the organization's product. So ultimately, the efforts have to be made by the company to sell their products. Marketing concept, that is the next concept. It says that the main job of a company will be to find not just the right consumer for the product, but also the right products for the customer. Holistic marketing concept that we discussed next was a concept which includes concepts like relationship marketing, integral marketing, internal marketing, performance marketing, and social responsible. Uh, so, holistic marketing concept is based on the development, design, and implementation of marketing programs, processes, and activities that recognize their interdependencies in the environment. This concept will also acknowledge that everything matters in marketing, that a broad integrated perspective is often a necessity. Then we further discussed about the individual meaning of these terms, that is relationship marketing, which aims at building a better long-term relation with the stakeholders in the society, because that is one thing which will give more profit to the company for the coming time to come. Integrated marketing occurs when the marketer devises a marketing plan, activities, and assembles them together, communicates them, delivers a value to the customer such that the whole is greater than sum of its part. Internal marketing is an element of holistic marketing, which is nothing but the task of hiring, training, motivating, and all people in the company who want to serve customers as well. It ensures that everyone in the organization embraces appropriate marketing policies, principles, especially the senior management. Apart from that, we also discussed the main four P's. We have price, product, place, and promotion. Extra P's have been added with respect to the changing environment, and the extra P's are process, people, program, performance, and the process. Well, extra P's have been added because as and when environment changes, as and when we have more challenges, there will be a need to revise or upgrade the P's also, and that is what has been done. So the extra P's are people, process, programs, and performance. And people reflect in part internal marketing is the fact that employees are critical to marketing success. Marketing will only be as good as people inside the organization. It also reflects the fact that marketers must view consumers as a people to understand their lives more broadly. Next is the process, which basically talks about the procedures, creativity, discipline, structure that we use in managing our marketing activities. A program reflects the consumer directed activities that we do. Encompasses the old 4Ps as well as the range of the other marketing activities. Performance marketing is basically focuses on capturing range of possible outcome measures which can ensure that company is able to have more sales and more profitability in the long run. So that was all that we discussed in the very first class. I hope the viewers enjoyed the learning lesson. Lesson will be back with more classes, capsule classes, which are easier for the people to grasp the subject. Thank you so much for watching.